Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. Me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headline them. The teacher them vote yesterday so them not take the government wage offer. The St. James police said them find one Smith & Wesson .40 pistol with some bullet in one operation in a Mount Salem yesterday. People find one male student dead yesterday morning pan one of the hall at the Mona campus at the University for the West Indies. Now for the full tour of them. The teacher them vote yesterday so them not take the government wage offer. Them turned down the offer yesterday at one special delegate meeting where keep at the Micro University College in St. Andrew. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark did beg the teacher them Tuesday for take the 12 billion package and work out the rest of the things them later. From last Friday, enough teacher never did come school. The St. James police said them find one Smith & Wesson .40 pistol with some bullet in one operation in a Mount Salem yesterday. 2 men get locked up. Tuesday, the police did find one Glock 43 Gen 4 pistol with having 8 bullets. Nobody never get locked up. People find one male student dead yesterday morning pan one of the hall at the Mona campus at the University for the West Indies. Dr. Donovan Stanbury, or the UE Mona registrar, said look like one sudden death and nobody not do him nothing. One another student find him dead after 9 in the morning and call the police. The college tell him family and the student them a get counseling. The Anatabia police killed 2 men Tuesday morning. The dead man them are Owen Minot, who come from Waterford St. Catherine, and Dana Richards, who come from Kingston 13. According to the police report, around 2:50 a.m., some police did an operation when them stop one Toyota Probox having 4 men. The police said the man them shoot after them and them shoot back. When the shooting tap, them find Minot and Richards shot up. Them carry them go hospital where doctor said them dead. Robert Fowler tell the court them guilty for kill 20 years old accountant clerk Canis Jackson. Him tell the court yesterday him guilty and him a get sentenced on April 27. People did find Jackson dead on March 26, 2021, 2 days after them session missing. A rotten body did find in our upmelat near the Portmore fishing village. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that's the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.